There's a piece of plumbing running on almost every AI assistant you use, and it just quietly got its biggest change yet. Almost nobody noticed. It's called MCP, the Model Context Protocol. If you've been here before, you know it. It's the thing that lets an AI model plug into your actual stuff, your files, your apps, your tools. Without it, a chatbot just talks. With it, it can do. And it's everywhere now. North of 400 million downloads a month. That's not a niche standard anymore. That's infrastructure. The kind of thing where when it changes, everything sitting on top of it changes too. Here's the funny part. Search "what is MCP" and you'll find 100 explainer videos. Not one of them mentions the thing that actually matters this week. It just changed. So let's fix that. The old MCP worked like a phone call. Your AI and the tool it was talking to had to keep a live two-way line open the whole time. Both sides holding the connection, remembering the conversation, waiting on each other. It worked. It was also a pain to run, and it never really hung up. The new version throws that out. MCP is now stateless. In plain words, no more open phone line. It's a letter. You send a request, you get a reply, you're done. Each message stands completely on its own. Basically, the way the rest of the web has worked for decades. Sounds like a small, boring detail. It isn't, because if the tool doesn't have to keep a line open, it doesn't need a machine sitting online 24/7 waiting for calls. It can wake up the instant something asks, answer, and disappear. Run it anywhere. Pay only when it's actually used. The plumbing under AI just got a lot cheaper to run, and a lot easier to drop in everywhere. They didn't stop there. Logging in and handing over permissions used to be a bit of a free-for-all, everyone rolling their own. The new version bolts on a proper standard way to do it, so a tool can't get quietly tricked into grabbing access it was never given. And the fancy extras got moved out of the core into optional add-ons, so the important part stays small and hard to break. Now, the part the announcements gently skip over. If you built something on the old always-on model, this can break it. The thing you shipped last month assumed a phone call. The world just switched to letters. It might keep limping along, it might not. But the ground moved and nobody sent you a memo. That's the honest catch. Not that it's bad. It's genuinely better. Cheaper, safer, simpler. But the standard everything runs on just changed how it works is the kind of sentence that quietly costs somebody a weekend down the line. And that's the whole story, really. The most important upgrade in AI this month wasn't a shiny new model with a bigger number on it. It was the boring pipe underneath all of them getting rebuilt. While everyone was busy arguing about benchmarks, the flashy stuff gets the headlines. The plumbing gets the actual work done. That's the signal. The rest is noise. Subscribe if you want it before everyone else. See you next runtime.